Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Gajan here. It is a few days left for New Year's, and honestly, I did not know how the year passed by. I haven't done a makeup video in a long time, so today's video is going to be a glam makeup look slash New Year's glam that's super easy to do and affordable as well. Also, Amazon is having their winter sale happening right now, so if you wish to buy anything, all the links will be in the description box. To begin, I'm starting by prepping my skin. I'm taking this Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. It is from Foxy. This is a great moisturizer for dry skin and it works really well under makeup as well. So since I have dry skin, I'm also applying a drop of the Color Bar's dry oil so that all the products that I will be using today will blend in really well and it will sit well too. To prime my face, I'm using Sugar's Prime Sublime Primer all over my face. Taking the Maybelline's chapstick to hydrate my lips to avoid any dry chappy lips while applying my lipstick later on. Then I'm taking my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff, and I like to take some on the back of my hand, dab my beauty blender into it, and then really press it into my skin. I did go ahead with 2 pumps of this foundation, and once I have that on, I'm going in with concealing. I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm applying this on the areas of my face that I want to conceal: the under eye area, the center of my nose, around my mouth and chin, and blend it really well. To brighten up, I'm using the second concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics to brighten up the inner corners of my eye and some of these areas as well. Once that's all in place, I will use a setting powder, applying this to my under eye area to avoid any crease and move on to the rest of my face. To start with eyeshadow, I'm taking the Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow. I'm taking this light brown shade and work that all over my crease. This is going to be our base, so I'm just going to put that all over the crease, back and forth. To add in some depth, I'm going in with a deeper brown shade and softly buff it into the crease area. Then I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and work that towards the outer V of my eyelid just to create a smoked up look. For the inner lid, I'm going in with the shimmer and just apply that towards the inner corners. And then I'm using the Swiss Beauty's metallic eyeshadow in the shade Molten Midnight and pop it to the center of my eyelid for some extra dimension and spread it out using my fingers. I also did go in with a shimmer eye pencil towards the inner corners of my eye for an extra brightened look. Before I move on with a mascara, I like to curl my eyelash, and for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Sky High Mascara and apply this on both my upper and lower lash line. I thought of going in with some falsies, but I loved the way this mascara left my lashes and I decided not to put them on. For my brows, I'm using the Maybelline's Brow Tattoo in deep brown and I'm running this all over my eyebrows. The eye look is done and I'm dusting off the excess powder under my eye. I'm going to do some bronzing with the Makeup Revolution bronzer over the highest points of my cheekbones, the forehead and jawline. This one is a creamy bronzer. It is super easy to work with and the pigment is great too. Also using this to contour my nose and using a beauty blender to soften the lines. I'm going to put on some blush from L'Oreal Paris. It is in the shade City Explorer. It is a beautiful shade and it goes so well with this eye look. I'm going to go ahead with my highlighter. This one is from Mars and it's in the shade Rose Gold, and put this on my cheekbone, down my nose and basically anywhere I like. To set everything, I'm using the Miss Claire setting spray to set in all the makeup and lock it in place. Now I'll move on to the lip. I'm using Sugar Cosmetics lip liner and I'm going to line my lip with this. For my lipstick, I'm going in with this nude pink shade. It's from Maybelline. I'm also adding some highlight on my shoulder bone area just for an extra glow. And then I'm going to top it off with a gloss. I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and being here with me, and I will see you really soon.